Hi guys, today I'm going to be making a chatterbox. Don't worry, Amelia will join me at the end of this video. Before I start this video, click that subscribe button. Oh, don't forget, if we reach 200 subscribers, Amelia gets to throw a bottle of water at me. But if you want to know how to make a chatterbox, let's get into the video. What you're going to need is some A4 paper. You're going to need some scissors. You're going to need a pen or something to write. Let's get started. First step is to fold your paper over to make a triangle. Now I'm going to cut off the excess piece of paper. If you need help, make sure to ask an adult to do it. Now we're going to get rid of this extra paper. Boo! I'm going to open up our triangle. Now it's a square shape. Now we're going to fold this corner here to this corner here. Let's go. And now let's open it. Now you have an X, which shows us the middle of the paper. Now we're going to fold each corner into the middle. Let's go. Once we've done that, we're going to flip it over to the other side. Now we're going to do the same thing that we've done again and fold each corner into the middle. Let's go. Make sure you flatten them down when you put them the corners to the middle. Looks like a present. Happy birthday. Now we're going to fold it like this. Make sure you press down. Now we're going to fold it the other way. Remember to press down the side. Final step is to pop it up. Now it's time for pinching fingers. Now using your pinching fingers, you're going to put them in the flaps. Now when you put your fingers in the flap, push it together. And it should make a chatterbox. Tap, 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 tap. Now we're going to add some writing to it. To do this, we've got to flatten this back out. On this side, we're going to write different colours. I'm going to write red, blue, purple, and black. On this side, we're going to write numbers. Once you've done numbers 1 to 8, we're going to open it up and write our message in each space. Because I'm doing this for our YouTube channel, I'm going to do different video ideas. This is how a chatterbox should look. Got video ideas in each section. I'm going to do a funny one. I'm going to try it on Amelia. Hi guys. Okay, this one is made for the videos that we are doing, and this one is made especially for you. So put that down. Choose a colour. Green. Green. Choose a number. 3. 1, 2, 3. Choose number 8. See what you got. You're so crazy. You. Now we're going to choose what our next video should be. No, this is the channel one. Okay, choose one. Choose colour. Purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. Choose a colour. I mean a number. Choose number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, jeez. You can't choose 7 or 3 or 8. Okay. 3. Expectations versus reality. That was a good one. Guys, hopefully our next video should be expectations versus reality. Tell us in the comments below if you've ever made a chatterbox before and how it went. Thumbs up for this video. Don't forget to click the notification bell thing. Thank you. See you in our next video. Bye.